Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the name in Roblox. Go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, click on the gear icon, click on Settings. It is possible to change the username and display name. First, click on Change Display Name. You can only do this step every 7 days. Enter the desired name and click Save. Now, Roblox has changed its policies. When you click on Change Username, you will see that you need to have at least 1,000 Robux for this change. When you are in the main section, you can see the display name change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.